Hello, this is Girindra Kasmarkar. My story, I must say, began quite routinely. I went to IIT Mumbai for my BTech in mechanical engineering, and after that, I went to the US for my MS. The first big departure came in 1989 when I came back from the US immediately after my MS to Pune. And 2.5 years after that came the next departure when I quit my job at Tata Consultancy Services to start out on my own. The first business was in the CAD/CAM space. That was a huge learning experience and it prepared me really well for the next business that I was going to get into, which came into the form of a project in software testing. Now, it was extremely early days for software testing and hence it was very hard, but that was the opportunity as well. And despite the big ups and downs of the internet boom and bust of 2000 and 2001, we stuck to software testing and that paid us rich dividends as we became one of the leading testing companies in India. The next big milestone came in 2008 when SQS, the global leader in software testing, approached us for an acquisition. We sold a majority stake in Verisoft, our company, to SQS and became SQS India. My rationale was simple and strategic. This acquisition was meant for growth. And so, I stayed in the company for the last 8 years and grew it from about 150 people to about 1,000 people. And it was only in 2016 March that I sold my remaining stake in SQS India back to SQS and thus exited from SQS completely. I had the opportunity to leave SQS on a big high when our Honorable Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis himself came to inaugurate our new campus at SQS in January of this year. Now it's on to our new venture, Ideas to Impacts, where we are pioneering our new small town model of delivering services and products from taluka places rather than large cities. We hope to renew the success of offshoring to India by offshoring to Bharat, thus generating employment in these small towns. We also hope to promote startups who can cater to the requirements of the non-urban India. Our success will be if our small town model not only saves cost for clients and creates positive social impact for small towns, but scales across the country to become the norm for the industry just as offshoring is today. Outside of our company work, I am very active in forums such as TIE and I4C to promote innovation and entrepreneurship in our country. As for hobbies, it's mainly fitness and reading books. Finally, I have to thank my family. As a first generation entrepreneur, I needed a lot of support from my family and got it. My wife Snigdha is a director on all of our companies. She, my parents, my children and all the extended family as well have supported wholeheartedly for me to be able to reach where I am today. Thank you very much.